I learned early on going from the single family to the multifamily, in the single family space, you don't really have to do a lot of networking. There's things that can come through networking and relationships that you can build, but it doesn't take a team to take down a single family home, right? Not like in multifamily where there's so many different moving parts. So I quickly realized that, hey, if I'm going to do this and I'm going to build a big portfolio, networking is going to be key, which actually forced me to get into the uncomfortable zone. But, I decided I was going to do it, right? And I knew I had to do it. So I was going to all the networking events you can imagine that had anything to do with multifamily or if there were high net worth individuals. This one specifically was BNI. It's a group, I don't know if you're familiar with it, but they've got them all over. Group gets together and they try to network and give each other leads and whatnot. So yeah, that's how that happened. It was intentional. It wasn't just hanging out, which I've had some of those too. But.